Hello, today I'm back cooking with this amazing little magic box of tricks, the Thermomix Tm6. A nice and simple 15-minute pasta dish today. It's not a recipe I'm going to follow on Cookie-Doo, it's just a case of knocking a nice little spinach pesto up with some pine nuts and parmesan and running that through some cooked spaghetti. It really could not get any easier. It's really easy, really quick and super tasty. So as I always say, what are we waiting for? Let's get stuck into it. Okay, let's make some green spaghetti, and the first thing we need to do is get the pasta on. Tm6 is built in with some scales, I'm sure you didn't know. So a good rule of thumb roughly in grams is about 60 grams of pasta per person. So that'll be 120 grams because this dish serves two and it easily doubles. That'll do. Right, let's make some spaghetti. I have some water on a boil. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I do believe the Italian nonnas say that your water for your pasta should be as salty as the Mediterranean. Here we go. Just plonk that spaghetti in, and all we're going to do now is just tempt it round as it starts to soften. There we go, almost there. And cook this as per your packet instructions. This will take dry pasta typically about 12 minutes. Okay, our spaghetti is on now to make this delicious pesto. The main ingredient is spinach. There's 100 grams of this, just to let you know that I've just taken the stems off every leaf. It's a little bit of a laborious task. If you want to grind with the stems on, it's entirely up to you, but I just think you get better results without the stems. If you have a commis chef in the house, I recommend that you assign this task to them. So this is 100 grams without the stems. I pre-weighed this just for the purpose of the video, so it just flows a lot quicker. In we go. Just a case of banging it all in and grinding it up. It's that simple. Right, next here I have 30 grams of Parmesan cheese, the zest of 1 lemon and 1 grated garlic clove. Of course, because we're not following Cookie-Doo, I will put the ingredients on the screen as I add. In we pop. Next, the juice of half a lemon. There we go. Next, I'm nuts about nuts, so it's 35 grams of pine nuts. There we go. And we'll save some of these just to dress the finished plate. A little bit of salt, not much because of the saltiness of the Parmesan. Plenty of black pepper. Reset that there, and last but not least, a good quality extra virgin olive oil. I'm using about 40 ml of this. You might need a little bit more depending on the texture. There you go. Perfect. Now we'll simply give this a quick blitz, and that is it. The pesto will be done. We'll give it a quick taste, of course, down to give it about 10 seconds on speed 8. Here's the inside of the bowl, so this is the texture you're after. Right. That's absolutely perfect. A little bit of Ming of black pepper. Excuse me, the lemon zest is there. Yeah, absolutely perfect. One tip I would give is maybe just putting a little bit less olive oil in at the start. I've done this so many times, I know exactly how much to put. Your spinach might be a little bit different or whatever. You can always add a little bit of olive oil if your texture's not there, or you can't really take it away. So there we go. My pasta has about 5 minutes to run. I'm just going to get a little bit of a ramekin full of this cooking water. Just going to stir this through the pesto and spaghetti when it's ready, and it's going to go back in the pot. So just remember to reserve a little bit of that cooking water. It is time to drain, and just a reminder, just remember to save a little bit of a swig of that pasta water before you drain. A little bit of black pepper through this while it's here. A bit of a shake. Season well enough because the water was seasoned. In the waiting pot, a little bit of sizzle there because there's still some heat in the pan. Just take this off the heat now. Ready made beautiful spinach pesto through this pasta. Now this part is entirely up to you, depends how loose you want your pasta. Again, we have that reserved cooking water. I think this looks loose enough. I might just add a drop. If it's too wet, the pesto won't stick to the pasta, and that is the whole point. Just a wee drop, I think that's all we need. That'll do. Bit of a stir. You could leave this to get to room temperature if you wanted to. You can serve it as part of a salad, and it's just as delicious. A perfect summer dish. Let's plate up. Delicious. If you like a bigger plate than this, just feel free to add more pasta at the start of the cooking. There's enough pesto here to take a little bit more pasta if you want. Let's just twist that round. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Add a little sprinkle of pine nuts. And if you want a little tiny glug of olive oil. And there we have it, my summer green spaghetti. Absolutely perfect. Enjoy. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please consider clicking that subscribe button if you haven't already. I'll see you soon with some more Thermomix Tm6 content.